watchers, wake up. It's time for your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and it is Monday, May 7th. Let's get started with a great week, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. So what happened? In our headline news, the market strung together another winning session Friday, aided by some tantalizing merger speculation, a 2% drop in oil prices, and an April employment report that didn't contain any bearish surprises. In fact, the jobs report, which showed an 88K increase in nonfarm payrolls, the slowest gain in more than 2 years, was very much in line with expectations. The one positive surprise was the 0.2% increase in hourly earnings. That calmed inflation fears, as that took the year-over-year rate down to 3.7% from 4%. For the most part, though, the jobs data seemed to take a backseat to speculative reports that Microsoft may be trying to work a deal to acquire Yahoo. Both companies said they don't comment on rumors, yet that news and confirmation from Reuters that it received a takeover approach from a third party helped keep the market in a bullish momentum. The drop in oil prices, which was attributed to a belief that supplies will be adequate to meet demand, also offered a measure of support. That pullback, however, undercut an early rally in the energy sector, which was one of only two economic sectors to end the day with a loss. Sector moves were limited in scope on both the upside and downside. That point is borne out in the tight range between the worst performing sector and the best performing sector, which was materials. The Dow once again finished at a new all-time closing high. And now for our small cap news, brought to you today by Lucas Energy Incorporated. Lucas Energy engages in the acquisition and operation of oil and gas properties in the state of Texas. Now, some of the movers and shakers that Quality Stocks Daily will be watching this week. Minera Andes Incorporated announced last month that the results of the 2006 exploration program yielded increased silver and gold reserves by approximately 71% from the reserves announced in the news release of October 24, 2005. The company also announced that a second wave of production is scheduled to commence in the Santa Cruz province, southern Argentina, starting in the second quarter of this year. The goal of the drilling program is to add new reserves and resources and to identify new veins that will increase mine life and facilitate the expansion of production at the San Jose project. Minera Andes Incorporated engages in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties located in the Republic of Argentina and opens their week at $2.30 a share. Coates International Limited announced this month that through a stock purchasing agreement, the company has closed a financing transaction with Duchess Private Equities Fund Limited that will make available up to $10 million through an equity line of credit. Hey, I'd like that kind of credit. Coates also announced that the company has completed a high volumetric efficiency and a low maintenance racing engine that during testing reached a 10,500 RPM throttle response. Several niche markets have been identified to potentially use the engine, including natural gas and electrical generation. Coates International develops a spherical rotary valve engine for use in piston-driven internal combustion engines and opens their week at 45 cents a share. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest news on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And also make sure to watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great Monday, and we'll see you again tomorrow right here on the Daily Report.
You've got it.